we're gonna go ahead and unbox the exit signs. It says Leo Exit Signs Garage. Has my name on it. So we're gonna go ahead and get the key. We're gonna open up with the key, then we're gonna open it. Of course, we do have something inside here. Of course, we do have an unboxing video. We're doing the unboxing video, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Just give me a second. And once again, this one has the exit signs and the fire alarm inside. So we're gonna go ahead and open up with a key, or maybe I can use a knife to open it. So I'm gonna recommend trying to open it with a key if it's gonna work. If I'm gonna open this. Yeah, I'm just gonna open it with a key and then unbox this. Okay, we got something in the inside. So our first thing that we got something weird. We inside the exit sign box, we do have our ESC Genesis speaker strobe. Of course, this is not in my fire alarm system. Well, that's kind of strange, but this one is. But I don't know why it's inside my exit sign box. And yeah, and the next one, wow. And our next one we got is our exit sign combo, of course. Really unusual, but this one's actually old. This one you can swivel around with your heads too if you like, so. I'm gonna go ahead and fix them. Alright, this one's all fixed. We're gonna go ahead and put this thing down where the combo shelf is, right here. And then on the other one, we do have an exit faceplate for an exit sign. I wish this one is coming from this exit sign on the back. So, rather say put it right here. Boom, here it is. And there's more, but we're not done. We got a fire extinguisher sign. And this one could be in my garage, I think. And let's see this guy. My stoplight, go light timer, traffic signal timer. That one's supposed to be right next to this thing here. Standing right next to it. But there's more. But we do have our open and close sign. Of course, there's like a clock right nearby it. And the exit sign. And we got the board right here. Got my green lens. My green and red diffuser for an exit sign. Of course, tape. But this one goes inside the shelf. Alright. And then our next one, we got the green diffuser, of course, for a, like this kind of Lithonia lighting sign right next to it. So this one I'll be putting this thing inside. But there's more. This one right here, I got the glowing in the dark exit sign. Of course, this one's actually ruined. But I'd rather like put it up onto the wall here, so I'd rather like put it here. But there's more up. Got my turn off cell phone sign. Of course, in school you're not allowed to use cell phones. And I'll put those signs back. So I recommend put this back inside. I can install this in my garage if I like to. And this one I got my board, the exit sign board, I think, from this exit sign on the back. I'd rather like put it right here and that's gonna work. And I got those two exit sign face plates. And there's more. We got a screw, I don't know why it's there. And the mounting canopy for this exit sign on the back. So I recommend put the canopy inside the thing and close it. Alright, I think there's nothing left in this box. I think, and also we have a battery in the inside. I don't know why it's still there. And the screw. The screw is inside. Alright, y'all. Okay, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please comment and subscribe.